So we have already covered organization level security yesterday. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
we will just
Particular
cover
security
this in two.
profile on.
Yeah, cover this in the 2 minute again. Like this is organization level security. Organization means what? Our Salesforce. This is the
Yes.
organization wherever you are working. That is the your organization. Right now you are for doing the practice purpose. You are logged in a Salesforce. That is your organization. So
Yes.
you want to secure that your organization. So there are a few parameters that from by using those things we can secure our Salesforce. So first is user authentication. Authentication is what? That login.
We are
Like
login at
yes,
credentials.
yes, that username and password we are giving while login. That is the user authentication. Like you are authenticating
Yes.
yourself that Salesforce. I am my email ID is this, my password is this, and already registered in the Salesforce. So please allow me to log
Yes.
in. So once the Salesforce confirm that okay, this is the Hema already registered person, and her password is also correct because password and all those things stored in the Salesforce server. So it will check in the server, it will say okay, Hema is correct person, so it allow you to log in. So authentication means that it authenticate the person that this person is correct, this person username and password is correct. And there is a optional there is one other option, that is MFA, that is multi factor authentication. That is like
Yes.
OTP
Like
things, right?
password OTP level.
Yeah, so this is multi-factor authentication that we can enable or not enable. That depend on setup. Like we can do the setup and all. Right now for you only, I think username and password is working to log in the Salesforce.
Yes.
Same way we are having the login hours. We can define that when that person can log in and when he can log out. After that he will be not able to log in the things. Then other thing is the login IP ranges. We can define that IP addresses of the systems so that person will be able to work on under the system which organization provide, not the other system, personal laptop and
Yes.
personal system. Password policies, we can define the password policy like password length, how many characters it should be. It should have the alphanumeric and the special character. It should have like expiry, when it will be expired, how many password it will be remembered. This type of thing we can do in the password policy. So where we are doing these things, we are doing under the profile. And how we are coming to the profile? Clicking on this gear icon,
Setup.
clicking on the setup,
There.
yeah, typing the profile, selecting a profile.
In
Right now I have selected a custom sales profile. Once we will come under the object setting, like once you open this profile, you will see a page where you have to select the object setting. So this page will come once you open any profile. So we have to go to object setting. Once you open the object setting, you will see the lot of object. So
Sir,
sorry.
sir, one minute. In this object setting, I will share my screen once, sir. I think it's not showing for me. Object level setting. 1 minute, sir.
So I was saying about this.
I will share
Yeah. So these all things
one minute, sir.
these all things are for the organization level security.
Yes. Hello.
Yeah.
Sir, can I share my screen once?
Okay, you are sharing your screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, share your screen. I'm not able to see.
1 minute, sir.
I have stopped sharing my screen.
Uh,
Okay,
yeah.
yeah. I think you shared your screen. Okay, I'm able to see.
So this is a profile, right, sir?
Okay, right. I can see your
Sir,
Salesforce.
is it
Yeah,
visible?
yeah. Right now I can see. Yeah. Okay.
So in that objective level settings, I'm not able to see this
Okay.
level.
Okay. So for you, the this UI is totally different. Okay. So for
Okay,
if
okay.
okay, so go up. I will guide you. Go up.
1 minute. So Sir, my screen is visible.
Yeah, I think it's loading your pages.
Okay, sir. I will ask in end of the class. Okay, okay, sir.
Okay,
We'll clear it in the end of the class. Okay. I think it's time wasting.
okay,
I will ask the end of the class, sir. Okay.
okay. So I'm sharing my screen again.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I understood your doubt. You were saying that your profile view is not looking like this, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what you have to do, there is a setting, because for the profile UI there is two type of different profile UI is present in the Salesforce. I'm able to see this type of view. You are able to some different, right? So for this
Yes, sir.
you have to go to user interface. If you type this, you will see that there is user interface. Okay, inline editing, user management setting. Okay, so we can go to user management setting. Okay, once you come here, user management setting, you will see this page. Okay, so there is
Okay.
option, this one, enhanced profile user interface. So
Profile.
browse, search, modify the setting, permission set in the profile through streamlined user interface. Means this is a different interface for the profile view. Okay, so
Okay.
yeah, so I will disable this. Okay, and right now I will go to profile again. Profile, I'll open profile again. I will select one profile, custom sales. So you are seeing, right? This is the page you
Sir,
are seeing, right?
I'm seeing like this only, sir.
Yeah, so what you have to do if you want to see, because that the other screen is more user friendly. Okay, this is not user, means that that much user friendly as that screen was. So I was using that only. So you can just
Okay.
enable this. Come to the user management.
User management.
Yeah, user management setting, and then come to this enhanced profile user interface, and then enable this this checkbox. Okay, toggle,
Okay, sir.
enable this toggle like enabled, and once you enabled, just refresh this profile. So you will be able to see like this page. This will be more user friendly.
Okay, sir.
Okay, because at
Okay,
bottom
sir.
you are seeing these all org level security. This we were discussing login hour, login IP ranges, session setting, password policies, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so this was that yesterday's class we already covered. So today we will start, like we already started our profile things.
Yes.
We will again start that object level security. So object you already understood, right? What is the object?
Yes, sir.
That account, contact, these all are object. And if we create any custom object, that is underscore c. So we have to secure that. So right now we already secured our organization by organization level security. Now we have to secure our object. Those all account, contact, lead, cases, opportunity, different objects are present in the Salesforce. Some custom object like you created student, enrollment. These are type of object you have to secure, right? So what is object level security? Object level security you use to control the data access. Whatever the data you are going to store under the object, it is going to control that, right? Yesterday we discussed that we can
Sir.
block user to read the data. So we can uncheck the read, we can uncheck the create, we can uncheck the edit, we can uncheck the delete. So we are blocking to access those data, like we are blocking the data. Okay, user person this with this profile, you will be not able to see this data, right? So this is that. So using the object permission, you can prevent user from seeing. This is the thing I was explaining: seeing, creating, editing, deleting. So you are preventing, like you're preventing object, this object, account object
Yes.
or any object. Okay, so this person like sales profile will be not able to access this object, or sales profiles will only have read access. Sales will only see, right? Every profile, we cannot give every access to every profile, right? Someone is manager in the Salesforce, someone is the salesperson. So salesperson can only read the data. We will not allow him to edit, right? Otherwise salesperson will come and edit the amount, then totally your business will go in losses, right? So only manager or higher authorities can update these things. So we will grant higher profile, like manager profile. We will create one profile as a manager, and we will create edit access to the profile. That manager can edit. Manager want to edit some product price, he can able to update, right? Earlier the price was like $100, so he can update it to $120. So manager can update, what sales cannot update. So this is the thing. We have to secure our object. So securing our object, what we will do, we will blocking these accesses. And where we are doing this, we are doing on profile. So you are saying that what is the profile? If someone asks, because this is also most important question, what is the profile? So profiles are the collection of setting and permission set where what a user can do in the application. So what he can do, read, edit, read, create,
Yes.
and then edit, delete. So these type of things we can grant in the on the profile level. Why we are granting this type of things? To securing our object. How you are securing? Someone asked that what is the profile? Profile are the collection of setting and permission set what a user can do in an application or on object. Because application is what? Application is collection of different object, right? Your application is what? Application is collection of different object. Suppose you are creating one application as a sales, so there will be object related to sales. So what is application? Application is a collection of objects. So we are securing by creating these all things, right? So we are already coming under the profile. Am I audible, Heva?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you dropped up, right? I think some network issue.
Yes.
Okay, so
Yes.
already
So
we
now
are,
it's clear.
yeah, your voice is like little bit fluctuating, but it's clear.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, so I was defining the profile things, like we can do. Be profile is what? We are securing our object by providing these access, read, create, edit, delete. Like what a user can do, we can decide using the profile, right? So what how to do like how to come to profile and edit
Yes,
this. We
sir.
have to come to profile, select any open profile, and which object you want to secure. Okay, which object you want to secure. So right now you are seeing that we are having multiple of objects here, right? Multiple of objects we are having here.
Yes, sir.
So you are seeing, right, the here that object permission is there. You can see this: read, create, edit, delete. So what is this? This is the access granted on the which object? Which object, Hema? This is on the account
Sir,
object.
profile, sir.
No, I was saying that which objects is for the
Account,
read,
yeah.
create, edit, delete. Because for this
Account, sir.
yeah, for this profile, sales profile, for this profile, sales profile, we are securing our account object. Right now we are seeing account object. How we secured? We have granted read access, create access, edit access, and delete to this profile. What it means, that sales profile, whoever the user is sales profile, so he will be create, read, edit, delete, everything he can do on this object. But you are seeing that there are below some things are with the no access, no access, no access, no access. No access means what? He is having not access to this object. No access, no access, right?
Yes.
Means what? Once he will be login into the Salesforce, he will be not able to see this object. This object will be not visible to
Yes.
him. Why? There is no access to view. At least
There
we
is
have
no
to.
access and permission.
Sorry, Hema.
There is no access to.
Yeah, so these objects, because you are
Yes.
seeing underscore OC, right? This is platform custom object, platform event. You will learn,
Custom object.
yeah, custom object. This is the e underscore e you are seeing, right? But for the custom object you are seeing underscore c. This is underscore e, because this is platform event custom object. This is different type of object that we will
Yes.
learn, like in the future classes. Just understand, this is also a type of custom object. Okay,
Okay, sir.
Yeah, so this type of the object he is having no access, but you are seeing there is some object that is having here, he is having that read, again we are seeing that, right?
Read, create, edit.
Yeah,
Yes,
so
sir.
this is asset object, a standard object that is having the read edit access that is granted. That means that the salesperson will be able to read these, create these, edit these, delete this. But below this you are seeing something again, no access, no access, no access. That means this object will be not visible to this user. Again for this you see that this is custom object which we have created.
Yes.
So this is the custom object that is we have granted, and here he can read and delete it. So there is a case standard object. Here you will see delete is not there. So this person will be able to read this, create this, edit this, but he cannot delete this.
Not deleted.
Yeah. So this is the things like we can grant on the profile level. So we
Okay.
will open the one profile and we will understand in depth, and we will understand we will open also, so you will be able to understand that this is custom sales profile, right? So this is
Yes,
cases.
sir.
So right now this is having the read, create, edit, delete. So we will do one thing. We are already having one user in this Salesforce, right? We have created two user. Wait, user, so that I will log in behalf of this user, and you will able to see that how the access are changing and the things. So there is one
Okay.
user, Jack Daniel, that we have deactivated in the last class. We will activate this person, edit this. First we will update his profile, because we are working on the which profile, this custom sales, right? So how you
Yes,
will
sir.
update the profile? This is the way. Come to the user, edit, and go to the profile. There will be drop down. If you want to, system admin can update the profile. Other profile will not able to change the things. So see, custom sales profile. We have updated his profile as a, now this person Jack Daniel profile is what, custom sales, and whatever the access we will
Custom set.
grant on the custom sales profile, he is having that access only. So we will save this, we will activate and save this. So right now it's active and it's saved. Okay, so you are seeing here is one
Okay.
login option. So what is this? Admin can log in on behalf of this user. So like admin can test, right? Suppose you have granted some access. So how you will test? You will not directly call this user, right? Ping this user, hey user, I have removed read access, can you check? Suppose that is not working, he will be frustrated, right? Every time he's pinging me, check this, check this. So Salesforce given a functionality as a login, so you will be able to log in
Yes.
as this user, right? So you will be able to log in as this user Jack Daniel, and you can see that what are the things he can access and what are the things he cannot access. So we will do
Okay.
one things in right now, like just first we will log in and we will see that are we able to see the cases, because custom sales profile on the for the case object, he is having read, create, edit access, right? So for your
Yes, sir.
understanding, we are coming here, you all aware of these buttons, right? This is edit, this is sharing, reset
Yes,
password.
sir.
If
Sharing.
you
Reset
will be,
password
yeah,
login.
if someone ping you and say that I forgot the password, you will be reset and password reset will be there.
Yes.
Freeze will be like,
And freeze also, I know, sir.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, we are pausing, like we are not deactivating, just we are pausing his accesses. He will be not able to
Yes, sir.
log in the Salesforce. So we are logging right now as a Jack Daniel. Once you log in, you will see this thing, logged in as a Jack Daniel. That means what? Right now this
We are logging Jogdale
yeah,
profile on.
yeah, so right now we are logged in as Jack Daniel, and you are seeing different interface, right? This is different. Why?
Yes, sir.
This is classic UI. In the Salesforce we are having two type of
Okay.
UI. One is classic and
Yes.
one is lightning.
And this lightning.
Yeah, so right now if you come here, so one is classic, one is classic, and
Lightning and
second one is lightning. Second one is lightning. So this is classic UI, and this is classic UI, and the other window which we were at, this is lightning UI. This is lightning UI.
lightning there.
And where you can
Yes.
where you can update these things, where you will see here. Once you click here, drop down sales.
Setup.
I think in the
Yes.
somewhere developer console in the setup, I think you will be able to see somewhere. One second. This is classic because here we are having the access that you can see here. I think we already logged out, right? So one second,
Yes.
one second. Because classic I'm not using, it's the old UI. Right now I'm using the
Okay.
lightning only. So there is one
Lightning.
somewhere we are having one option to switch to lightning. Okay, so I think we logged in as this person, might it's not enabled here. So
Yeah.
we will check this earlier. Okay, we will check this later.
Okay, sir.
So right now it's not coming here, we can check later. So just what we came here, so we are understanding that for the cases this person is having read, edit and create access,
Edit.
right? Delete this person
Create
is not
access.
having. So we will see some cases, all open cases. So right now if no cases, we will create one case, so that how we are able to create this cases, because this person is already having a profile that is a custom sales profile, and that profile is having read, create. Read means already able to read, create means he can create new cases. So you are seeing this window, right? This
Yes,
is
sir.
how he is able to create. So we are creating one case here. Okay, so we are creating one case as a test 1 2 3, and just we are saving. Okay, this is mandatory field, we have to select that what all the things we are able to save this, right? So test 1 2 3, one case is
Yes,
created
sir.
here. Why? Because this person is having read, create, and suppose I want, no, I want to update this subject, so must be he will be able to edit also. So one second, detail, yeah. So once we come to on the detail, there is edit button. Why he is having edit button? Because on the profile level we have granted edit access, and right now I will update, no 1 2 3 not, I want 9 8 7. Okay, and again I can save. So he is having what? Read, create, edit access, but he is not having delete access. Are you able to see any delete button here? No, right? Because this person is not having any
No,
delete
sir.
access. So what we will do now, we will log out Jack Daniel and we will update his profile. Log out, and we will log in as a like system admin. My profile is system admin. Okay, so I will update his accesses so that you will
Okay.
understand that. We will go to again, this is lightning UI. Okay, so in the lightning we are seeing there is
Yes,
one
sir.
button, switch to classic, Salesforce classic. Once you click on this, you will see the same interface where the Jack Daniel was coming. You are seeing,
Okay.
right? And here we are having
Yes, sir.
switch to lightning experience. I think we logged in as that person,
Okay.
na? That's why this switch to lightning was not coming.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so we are coming here, we will edit,
Okay, sir.
setup and profile. Again, profile, which profile? Custom sales profile, custom sales profile. Which object we are securing, Hema?
Custom.
Yeah, which object? Right now for Jack Daniel we created one record under case object. So which, what is the object name?
Accounts, sir.
No, case na, because we have created record
Yes.
under case. We have created one case,
Okay.
right? We were seeing
Yes,
that
sir.
case access, not account.
Okay, okay, sir.
Yeah. So case, right? You are seeing read, create, edit, but delete button was not there, right? So
Yes, yes, yes,
yeah.
sir.
So we have created one record under case object. So we are
Okay.
understanding here that why this read create. What is this read create edit? How on the UI level it's look like? So we will edit, and I will right now I'm removing that. I will remove now edit and create access. So you will be not able to, Jack Daniel will be not able to even create or edit the cases, but he will be able to read. Means what?
Yes,
The created cases he will be able to read. I am saving this. I will again go to user, Jack Daniel. You are seeing login button, right? So you can directly log in from here as well.
yes, sir.
Click on the login. For testing purpose, usually you will do in the your project. So suppose you set up something, so you have to test it, right? So you will log in as this person and you will test it. Okay, is this person is able to read, create it? So I will come to cases now.
Yes.
So you can see he is able to see this case, right? Right.
Yes, sir.
But there is no new button. Are you able to see any new button here?
Yes.
No. Why? We have removed the create access. We can open this. Why we can open? Because we are having access to view, means read. You can read this thing all. But are you seeing any button here? Edit,
No,
clone,
sir.
any button? Why it's removed? Because we
No.
removed from here. Create and edit removed for this
We not.
profile. And
Yes.
right now we logged in as this Jack Daniel, and Jack Daniel profile is custom sales. Okay, so
Custom sales.
yeah, so what
Okay,
is
sir.
the, so someone asked him that what is object level security? So object level security, first step to secure your object is profile. And how you can what is profile then?
Okay.
Profile is the things in the Salesforce where we can define what a user can do. And how we can define that what a user can do?
Oh,
We can remove the access or we can add the access. What are the accesses? Read accesses, create access,
read, create,
edit,
edit,
delete.
and
This,
delete
yeah,
options.
there are few other accesses. This also we will understand, but understand these four first. Then I will explain what is view all also, what is modify all, and what is view all field. Okay, first understand these four. This is the basic things.
Okay.
So you hope you understood, right? What are the function? If suppose if we edit this, I think I will not able to edit because I am logged in as a Jack Daniel, so I need to log out first.
Exactly. Understand.
Yeah, so I will log out. I will log in again as system admin, so that I will be able to modify the profile. I will log in again. Okay, so you can see the
Okay.
Jack Daniel here. We can directly open the profile here from here also. You can, if you click this custom sales profile will be directly opened. No need to go and type profile, and then you can directly come to sales profile. We came here, and now I'm going to object setting. Now we will come to cases, because we are right now we are understanding how we are securing which object, Hema?
Cases.
Yeah, so right now we are understanding we are securing case object level
Case
security.
object.
We are securing which object? Case object. So we are already understood. Right now you can see I will give delete access also. So
Okay.
you will be able to see that this person will be able to delete the cases as well. So I am giving create, edit, even delete. I am saving this.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
so we will search user in the setup, login as a Jack Daniel. We will go to case object. You are seeing this case object here. Now we are having new button here. You are seeing, right?
Yes, sir.
We have granted
Yes, yes.
read, create, edit, delete. Now you will see even delete also. Once I open this case,
Yeah.
you are seeing delete button.
Yes, sir.
So hope you understood, right? Right now we can delete also.
Yes.
I am deleting this new case.
Okay.
Okay. So you see,
Okay.
right now no
Yeah,
cases,
sir.
right? So that case is deleted. That case is deleted. Now that will be in the recycle bin. In the, if you click the recycle bin, you will see this case is deleted case. Okay, deletion date is there. So suppose something you by mistake you deleted, so where you will track those things? In the recycle bin. You have to,
Recycle bin.
yeah, same way we are having in our mobile also. Same Salesforce is also providing recycle bin. It will be there for the 15 days. After 15 days, this recycle bin will be auto cleaned. Okay, if you not if you are
Okay.
just deleting the many things, automatically Salesforce deleting the recycle bin also. Okay, so hope you understood that profile read, create, edit, delete, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I will logged out and we will see the other things. What other things we can secure through the profile? So we will come to our definition page. Okay, So we are here, right? So we understood that profile is the collection of setting and permission that determines what a user can do. Someone asked that what is the profile? You have to define that object is a, so profile is a setting or permission set where we can define what a user can do, where he can do anything on
We
object,
can do, yeah.
on object. Okay, and here is written application. So application is a collection of different objects. So what he can do: read, create, edit, delete, view all, modify all. We will learn that other things. So for understanding, I will write here view all. These also things you can grant from the modify all. I will explain these all things, don't worry. That what is view all, what is modify all.
Okay, okay,
Okay, just for definition I'm writing here, so that once you like revise, when you will revise, then you will go through these all word: view all, modify all. So what all other things in this profile? So I will again go to profile. Profile is a first step for the object level security. Someone asks what is the Salesforce security? Then we have to define first thing is organization level
okay.
security. Once the organization level
Profile.
security complete, then we have to come to object level security. Under the object level security, first thing is profile, that we are understanding here.
Profile.
So we will come to
Yes.
object setting. We will open any object. Right now I am opening account. So we already secured our object by this way. But you are seeing that there is another thing to securing on the profile, that is record type and the page layout. Page layout I already explained in the first class. I will explain again now. So these two things also we can secure from our page layout. You already aware of that, right? That the something I will open one case. I'll open this case here, right? So in
Yes, sir.
the detail thing, this is behind the scene. There is a page layout, right? So we can remove this field, or we can add the field. Hope you remember we created some fields that we dragged and dropped those fields, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah, so that is the
Yes,
page
yes.
layout. What is page layout in the it's self-explaining, right? It's a page. Page means
Yes,
same way like on the copy or book, you are seeing some pages, right? On the pages there are some words written. So you can either add some words, or you can, if you want to remove from that word. So it's a computer, so we can delete or update the things, right? So this is the page layout. And if now you will ask, sir, what is the record type? So correct question, what is the record type? So record type, Salesforce record type are a way. Okay, I think some Ganesh Puja Visarjan is going on.
yes, yes.
Okay. So what is the record type? So Salesforce record type are a way to grouping the many records of one type that are for that object. Okay, so these can be applied to any standard or custom object and allow you to different page layout, fields, required fields, and pick list. So now you I think you didn't understand anything. So what we will go, will do, we will go to object. I will open account so that you will understand the record type. So where you will find the record type, when you open any object, then below you will see that there is page layout. This I was explaining. I will open one page layout also, so that you will revise once again. Then what is the page layout? Page layout is the place where we are adding all those newly created fields, button. These all are the buttons. We can drag and drop. Suppose you want to remove this
Yes,
button,
sir.
send survey, just drag here and drop. It removed. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, same way you are seeing something buttons. If you want to add or remove custom links, some links are also here. If you want to add some custom link, link means the link which you will create. Custom means the thing, everything that you will create. Quick action. So quick action, there are some quick action like new case create button, log a call. There are too many quick actions. So there are like related list was, these are the different contact opportunity, these are the new related. So you can add or delete. Suppose you want to delete this related open list, just minus this, it will be removed from the page layout. If you want to add, just drag and drop, just add it, group is here. So this is the thing for the, this is the task for the page layout. So we can save here. You will say that yes, it's asking, okay, I will overriding all those things. So this button is removed and the page layout removed. And how we can track? You can track here created by and the modified by. Last date you can say today's date is here, right?
Yes, sir.
So there is lightning record page. This we will understand later. Button and links. This we will understand later. Field set, object limit. We will understand later. Right now we are understanding record type. Okay. So record type.
Okay.
So record type is what? So record type, as you can see the definition, record type is saying that Salesforce record type are a way of grouping the many record in one type. Means we can create a type where we can group many records for a object. So what are the things we can group? Different page layout we can create, fields, different fields, required fields and pick list values. So I will explain by creating, because that then only you will understand. So we are here on the case, right? On the profile you are seeing there is a, we will switch to case object, okay, so that you will understand. Every places all the thing are same only. I am explaining under any object, that means that you can do these all things under any object, okay. I am explaining under the case object, you can do in the account, lead, anywhere, okay. Just I am taking us
Okay.
cases as a sample. It's not like that account is having something different, account permission is something different. No, every object is having same things, like these all accesses, these record type and page layout assignment, this type of things will be present on every places. So you are seeing there is one master record type. Whenever you create any object, there will be one master record type, that is by default, okay. When we are coming on the cases, you are seeing there is no record type, right? We are under the case object,
Yes, sir.
right? There is no record type. But on the profile level we are seeing one record type here, that is master. So this is what, this is by default. So right now we will create one record type, so that you will see that which, how, what is the record type and what is definition explaining. So record type is a place, like it's a collection of how we can define that record type. So why this record type in use? So suppose understand, uh, you we are on the custom sales profile, right?
Yes, sir.
So for the custom sales profile we are having, one second, I think my pen is not working or what, okay. So we are on the custom, we are having the custom sales profile. So for this object is case. So under case, suppose you want that sales profile, there are, suppose be you defined, because this profile will be not like that only one person is assigned to this profile, right? There are so many users. Suppose assume there is 100 users for same profile. 100 users is having which profile? Custom sales profile, okay. And
Okay.
you want like cases by one master record type, you are seeing some fields, different pick list values. So you want, no, for this some of them user I want different page layout, means different pick list. Suppose there are three pick list, hot, cold, or like other anything. So you want these two pick list values should visible to like 50 users of this profile, and others will be able to see all these three pick list value. There is one some fields, you want this field like xyz, you want to visible for this 50 users, and you want other 50 user will be not able to see that. So for this purpose, Salesforce introduced that record type. So we will create one new record type, so that you will understand better.
Okay,
So
sir.
a new record type must be associated with the support process. So for creating any record type, you need to have associated with support process. you currently do not have any support process, you must create a support process before creating a report type. So what it's saying that we have to create first the support process, then only we can create the new record type. So I will search here what is the support process. Okay, support, you are seeing right, support processes. So this error was coming that we don't have any support
Yes.
process. So understand, everywhere definition is mentioned in the Salesforce. Create and maintain the multiple processes for your organization to use. Support processes use the status field identity, a, a case with the support lifecycle. After creating a support process, associate it with the many case record type, apply it to new cases. Okay, so I'll create the new process so that we can associate with our case object. So already there is a master, right? You are seeing there is a master record type, so master is already there on the profile level, already seen, right? Where is that,
Yes, sir.
where is that, where is that, where is profile, where is profile? I think we cancelled or what?
We
Okay,
cancelled, I
I think we
think.
cancelled. Okay, so there was master record type, right? I hope you remember. So I'm creating a
Yeah.
new record type as new record, new case record type. I will give this name new case record type. Description you can give anything. This is new, anything, and saving this. Okay, a new support
Oh,
process created. So some of the values it's asking that available values, new, escalated, closed, these are all the values, standard values. So you already coming under statuses. So I'm saving this support process. So this support process is required for creating a new record type under the cases. Now I will refresh this. So you are seeing right now it's coming to create, allowing us to create a new record type. So master is the existing record type. I am giving the new record type name case new record type. That was support process which we created earlier. That was support process. That was not record type. Okay. So this is new case new record type, and you are seeing that drop down here. Which support process you want? I will select this one. We created just now, right? New case record type.
yes, yes.
A description we are leaving blank. So for which profile you want this record type should be available. So right now I will open again that profile. We can directly, I will directly open from here. I will go to user Jack Daniel. I will click on this profile custom. This is another way to reach to the that specific profile. So custom object, custom setting, and I will search of case here. Okay, so we are having only one record type, that is master record type, that is by default. Right now we are creating new record type and we are giving the name as case new record type. So it's asking, do you want this record type should available on all the profile? Like different profiles present in the Salesforce. Do you want to available all the profiles? I don't want. Okay, I don't want. I explained right.
Okay,
Some
sir.
some of the user want different layout. Some of user want different fields. So I will not allow. I'll uncheck. I will just I want to available on the custom sales profile. I will check this custom sales profile, right? I don't want this record type to be available on other if you open some other profile like some service profile, then you will not see this record type under below here. Just I'm saving this. Next, then it will ask like different fields, which field you want. Okay, so it's asking that select the page layout, which page layout you want, because each record type we can have different page layout. Okay, so apply one layout to all the profile. So there are different layout under the cases. So if you want this for the all the profile or different profile having different page layout, so there is
Okay.
another checkbox. If you want like this user can able to see this profile, this user sorry, this layout, this user can be able to see this layout, so we can do the things. So I just now for your understanding I am selecting that case layout right now visible for all the profile, because we have already unchecked these all profile, right? So they will be not able to access anything. I'm saving this. So you have to create this again, Hema. Okay, you have to create a new record type so that you will understand. Right now you will miss something,
Okay, sir.
that what sir explained I don't understand. You have to create one record type and you have to see on the UI by removing, updating, these all things you have to do your own.
Okay.
Okay, so we have created one new record type. Okay, so you are seeing these all the fields and pick list value, right? So suppose you want this record type, case new record type, like there is a case origin, right? So we want some values to remove. Okay, so there are three values, selected value. I want, no, I don't want this value to be present. I will remove by doing this wave. So you are seeing that only phone is present on the case origin for this record type. Okay, so I have removed the origin. Like same way case region is there, so I will update this case region also. There are so many fields, I will removing everything, like feedback, other, equipment design. I will leave two values only here, so that right now you will understand what I have updated. These all the different pick list values. Okay, so same way you can update the different values here also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is the things that we are creating a new record type means what we are
Okay.
giving that this values, different values to different record type. So this is the profile. I will refresh. You will see that there will be one more record type. Okay, so you see, right, a new record type is here. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
checkbox is checked means right now this profile will have the
Okay.
access to this record type. Okay, and we have removed the origin, just we saw, right? So now we will go to cases record type. I will refresh first, so that you will see that that new record type is working fine or not. I will go to origin. Where is the course origin? Okay, I will edit this right now. Okay, so I'm system, we have to log in, right? We are updating on the custom sales profile, so we have to log in, because this why I'm able to see this HEMA, because right now I'm logged in as a system admin, and we are not updating that system admin profile, right? We are updating custom sales profile. So we have to go to the custom
Yes, sir.
sales user, so that you will be able to see that that origin is updated or not. So I will again search that user, and we will log in again as a Jack Daniel, because this Jack Daniel is custom sales profile. You are seeing, right? Custom sales profile. So I'm login, and now we will see that this user is having which drop down access. Now I will create a new and case origin. See, you are seeing, right? Only phone is coming, right? You understood,
Yes, sir. No
Hema?
one.
Why it's coming only phone?
Yes, sir.
Means why it's coming only phone? My question was.
We we give the access.
Yeah, because we have created new record type, and that record type is now active. Checkbox is checked, right? So checkbox is checked for this record type means what? This
Yes.
record type is active right now.
Yes, sir.
This record type you are seeing, right? So this record type is active right now. The case new record type is active right now for which profile? Sales profile. So, and suppose I will edit this, and I'll check this checkbox, then you will be able to see all those drop down, like there was option for the phone, email, right, web. So you will be able to see these things. So right now what I will do, I will again modify. First I will log out. Where is that?
Yes.
Where is that Jack Daniel? Where is that Jack Daniel? Okay, I will first log out. Log out. I will log in again as a system admin. Then I will go to profile. I will edit this. So you have to understand, from the profile we can securing that different pick list value for different record type. We will create different records. So we can create 4 5 record type here, and in some of the record type we will give two values only on the case origin. Some of the in the like there will be like we are giving the example, right, that country things, right? So like US and those all example I was giving on one
Yes,
day.
sir.
Okay, right? So suppose you will create a one record type by name, US record type. US record type, you will create one record type as Canada record type. Canada record type. Okay, and in the US you will create one pick list value by name country, sorry, state. So it's already a US record type, means a state will be of only US, right? But under that pick list value there will be so many pick list values.
Yes, sir.
So what we will do, same way we will remove that other country state like Canada or India. We will remove this state and only we will keep US states under the US record type. Okay, so once you assign that record type for that profile, he will be able to see only US pick list values. So you have to understand by creating by your own. Right now, yeah, I'm just assigning again this record type because you will be able to see the all the values.
Okay.
Okay, so what is record type? Using the record type, we can give different set of pick list values to the different to the specific profile. We can show the different pick list value to that profile. So again, we will log into the that user Jack Daniel, so that this time you will be able to see the origin with the all the pick list values. Cases. I'll create new. I will go to case origin. See, coming right. Correct. So why it's coming? Because
Yes, sir.
we have created new record type and we have assigned that record type to this profile. Same way, so it's saying that same definition here, that read the definition again. If you are not understanding this definition, you can Google. Okay, Hema, learn with the Google also. Suppose this definition you are not able to understand, do the Google. What is the Salesforce record type? You will maybe you will find some other definition that you can understand and relate the things which I am teaching right now, so
Okay,
that
sir.
you will understand that record type. What is the Salesforce record type?
Yes, yes.
Record type are the way
Okay.
to grouping the many record. We are grouping right now record like different pick list value. We are removing or adding the things, right? With a one type means one record type, like I'm giving, I was giving example US Canada record type, right? So US will be having only the US state, Canada will be having only Canada state. For that object right now we are under the case, so under the case object, this can be applied to any standard or custom object. You can create record type in the standard as well as custom object also, and allow you to have different page layout. Right now you were seeing, right, it was asking when we're creating the record type, it's asking that which page layout you want. So you can segregate the page
Yes,
layout
sir.
as well. Fields also in the while, because on the page layout you will be having the different fields. So you can
Okay.
make this also, these all things under the record type. So this is the one thing, like securing record type of a object. So what we understood, we are securing record type. And page layout, we all already understood that what is page layout. We can drag and drop custom buttons, fields, quick action, quick links, right? So that is the page layout. Assignment is here, you are seeing that, right? For this record type, for this record type, for this record type we are having this page layout, this page layout, case sales layout. And for this record type, case layout. Okay, so different layout we can assign to different record type, and under the layout we are having different fields. I want this field to be present on this layout or not, I want this field to be present this layout or not, right? We can drag and drop the different fields, right? You hope you remember those
Yes, sir.
things. So these all things coming under the profile. So what we learned, like to securing our object, we have to go for the
Profile.
profile. And under the profile, what a user can do, user can read, create, edit, delete. And under the profile we seen that how we can read, edit, delete for our object. For a record type, we can assign different record type to the specific profile, so that that profile, suppose I want that this profile is for the US users only, so this profile will see only US states. So I will create a record type with the US record type, and I will assign those values for the US to that record type, and we can check this US here, so that this profile will log in and he will be able to see the US record type. Okay, so another thing is like record type, what page layout, field, required
Okay.
field, pick list we understood. So second thing is permission set. Okay, So once you complete the profile, then we are dealing with the permission set. So I am giving an overview today, and we will understand, explain in the tomorrow classes. Okay. So this is the field. We will
Okay, sir.
come later. Like once we will finish the permission set, you are seeing this right, field level security. Then we will understand as what is this security. Okay. So right now we will understand the basic things for the permission
Okay,
set.
sir.
Permission set. Once you type here in the quick find, you permission set, you will see that permission set is here. We will understand first permission set, then we will understand permission set group. First we will open the permission set. Okay, so these are different permission set, Hema. Okay, so why this permission set came into the picture? Because
Okay.
profile and permission set are similar only. Suppose I open one permission set here. Let me open one permission set. Suppose I open this, you will see similar type of UI as like the profile. You are seeing, right? Similar profile. Here also we are having object
Yes, sir.
setting. Here also we are having system permission, but that login hour, login ranges are not present here. But for the object we are having similar things. So why this permission set came? So this permission set came because this permission set came because okay, so why this permission set came? Suppose we are having one profile. Already I am giving the same example like sales profile. Okay, so what you are doing under the sales profile, for object case, I am giving an example for the case only. We have defined, suppose, read access and create access. Okay, for a set of users, for like 10 users is there, 10 user is there which are having this profile, sales profile. Okay,
Okay.
so why this came into picture? So suppose want under this 10 user, one user is suppose senior, suppose one user is having some more access, means very more experienced user. So what you want, that this user, like I'm giving this name as experienced user. Okay, so one user is experienced user and other 9 are new user. Just understand these are the users. Okay, so user means same way like Jack Daniel, you are seeing, right? Jack Daniel. So this is
Yes, sir.
one user. So this is experienced user. You want no, for this sales profile I want this is as he is experienced, so he can like edit also. Okay, he can edit also this case object he can edit also. He can delete also. Why he can delete? Because he is a senior user. He can delete because he knows that what to delete, what to not delete, right? He understand the thing. But the new user is the new. I cannot give the access to edit and delete. Suppose he deleted some cases, then my business will be in the loss, right? So you
Yes, sir.
want only this user to have this edit and delete access. Then how you will do? We have to we have to give extra accesses to this experienced user. But my limitation is what? He is also having the same profile. I cannot update the profile for this only user, right? I have to give edit and delete access. Then for this purpose permission set came into the picture. Okay, what permission set do?
Okay.
It enhances the permissions to the specific user, means it add the new permission. So what we will do, we will create one permission set by giving the name extra permission, and we will go to case object. We will give this access, edit and delete on the case, and we will assign the new permission, that is extra permission, on this user. Like Jack Daniel, you are seeing, right? You will open the user same way like Jack Daniel. Suppose assume that Jack Daniel is experienced user. Okay, so you want that Jack Daniel to extra accesses. So you want Jack Daniel with extra accesses. We already having the same profile, right? So he's the sales profile, but you want this Jack Daniel with extra access. What you will do? You will create one permission set, and where you will assign, you can see, right? Permission set assignment. So just you will this edit the assignment, click on the edit assignment, and once you create any permission set, same way, right now we have not created. We will drag and drop and save this. So this user will have extra access. He will have edit also. Tomorrow we will create one permission set and assign to this user. Okay. Right now today what we understood, that if you want extra access, but you do not want to update the profile, just you want extra accesses to a specific person, we will, what we will do, we will create one permission set and we will assign to that user, right? So
Yes,
the,
sir.
so this is the definition also. You can go through this. Permission set is a set of collection of setting a permission set that give access to the various tools and functions. Here, like main thing is what it's giving, that extra accesses, extra accesses. So tomorrow we will create one permission set and we will understand how the person with the same profile, he will be having extra accesses, but we are not updating his profile. We are just creating one permission set and we are assigning that permission set to that person, and he will be having that extra accesses. Okay. So for, I think for today's class, you already learned what you learned, like object level security. Under the object level security, you learn the profile, how we can assign these different things to the different, like to the specific user under a profile, and what will be the effect once we remove some create or edit accesses. Then we understood what is the record type, how we can create, and that is totally like if we assign that new record type, then that pick list value will be like looks different to the new record type. And then we will understood a basic understanding on the permission set. Tomorrow I will explain this, then we will switch to field level security. Once we will complete these all things, then we will go to the record level security. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so Hema, I will share this video in some hour. If not today, then tomorrow morning surely I will share. I will not delay it like today. So you will
Okay, sir.
go through the video and create all those things, record type, and switch to the login same way, right? You create a new user. You can also create a new user. Once you come to the user, create a new user here. New user, okay. You can create a new user with the Salesforce license, okay, so that you will be able to log in. You can see this
Okay.
button, login. Why I am able to see this login button? Because this user is having the Salesforce license. Other licenses are not for the login. You are seeing, right? Licenses is Salesforce. Same way,
Yes, sir.
just you create a new user and change on the profile, and then log in and check, okay, and you select some different object, not case. You take some different object, okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I think that's for today.